Begin by removing the 4 10mm bolts securing both carriers and heat shield to the car. Hold the driveshaft in place and pull the heat shield out. Using those same 10mm bolts, reattach the carriers to the car. Support the driveshaft. Then you'll cut both carriers off of the driveshaft. Start with the front and make a cut on each side of the carrier. And repeat this on the rear carrier. Unbolt the front carrier from the car and cut the rest of the frame away from the bearing. Then cut the remaining excess rubber hanging off the front of the bearing, all the way around until it's flush with the base layer of rubber. Leave the base layer of rubber intact. The bearing should look like this when you're done. Repeat this on the rear bearing. For this one, the excess rubber is hanging off the rear of the bearing. Remove that until your bearing looks like ours. Now you can install both JXB carriers. Start with the front carrier. Slide the top half on first with the bushing in it, with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. Loctite is recommended. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. Before mounting it to the car, we need to attach the rear carrier to the drive shaft. Follow the same steps from up front, using the Allen bolts to secure the carrier to the bearing. Then to attach both to the vehicle, put the heat shield back up underneath the carriers. Take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer, and slide it through the heat shield. Then place one of the isolation dampers on the bolt on top of the heat shield with the small end facing up. Slide the bolt up through the carrier, add another isolation damper on top. Your small gold washers are unused during this installation. Repeat these steps on the other side. It's tough to see, but you will follow the same process. Bolt, fender washer, one of the isolation dampers on top of the heat shield with the small end facing up. Then the carrier, add another isolation damper on top. Slide the bolt up through the heat shield, through the carrier, and thread it into the car. Keep both bolts loose for now and move to the rear carrier. Looking at the rear carrier from the back of the car, repeat these steps. Bolt, fender washer, one of the isolation dampers on top of the heat shield. Then the carrier, add another isolation damper on top. Slide the bolt up through the heat shield, through the carrier, and thread it into the car. Once all 4 bolts are loosely threaded into the car, you can tighten them down. With both JXB carriers secure, your installation is complete.